Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial series. We are studying Python data structure set, and in today's video we will see set operation using Boolean operators. First operation, if you want to perform union of two set, then you can use the pipe operator. It will combine the elements of asset and S9 without repeating the element. Asset contain 10, 20, 30 as element, S9 contain 30, 40, 50 as element. When you do asset or pipe symbol S9, it will give you the result as the combination of asset and S9. This result can be stored in a new variable called as A, and that A variable can be printed later. Click on the cell, run the cell, and then print the value of A. Now set are mutable. If you want that value of set asset should differ, then just you have to update this or is equal to so that the resultant element are stored in asset. Click on the cell, run the cell, and print the value of asset now. The previous asset has been mutated from 10, 20, 30 to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This was about union of set. Intersection of two set. Intersection gives the common element between the two set. For example, asset and S9, common element is 30. Click on the cell, run the cell, asset and S9 is created. Asset and S9 will give you intersection, that is 30. If you want to store the result, you have to write and is equal to, and this result will be stored in asset, and if you print the value of asset, new asset will be 30. Difference between two set. In the difference between two set, the element of the first set is preserved, but those elements should not be present in the second set. For example, element in the first set are 10, 20, 30. These elements are to be preserved, but this element should not be present in the second set. 30 is present in the second set, therefore this element will be removed from the set if you perform a set difference. Click on the cell, run the cell. Asset minus S9, you can see the output. 10, 20 is preserved, 30 is not preserved. Why? Because it was present in S9. So all the elements in the first set which are present in the second set will be removed, while rest of the element will be printed. And if you want to update this result, suppose we print the value of asset now, escape A, print the value of asset. Asset is 10, 20, 30. Run asset minus S9, print the value of asset. Asset is 10, 20, 30. If you want to update or mutate the state set asset, then minus is equal to, and now print the value of asset. You will see that it will contain 10, 20. Symmetric difference of two set. It contains all the elements which are uncommon. The common element will not be present in the resultant set. For example, 10, 20, 30, 30, 40, 50, common element between two set is 30. Symmetric difference will create a new set containing all the uncommon elements of both the set. So click on the cell, run the cell. Symmetric difference is given by asset cap S9. Click on the cell, run the cell. You get all the uncommon elements of both the set as set resultant. If you print the value of asset, it is unchanged, and if you want to mutate the value of asset, cap is equal to, and then print the value of asset. Now it does not contain 30. So today we have seen union of two set, intersection of two set, difference of two set, and symmetric difference of two set using or, and, minus, and cap operator. And we have also seen how to mutate a set. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do hit the subscribe button for more such technical content. See you in the next video.